the umbrella that rained colors. Mira hated rainy days. The sky turned gray, her shoes got wet, and worse, everyone at school looked sleepy and dull. But one Tuesday morning, Mira found something strange on her doorstep. It was a folded blue umbrella with rainbow details and a wooden handle. A note was tied to it, for the one who notices color even in clouds. Mira blinked. She looked around. No one was there. The umbrella felt warm in her hand, even though the wind was cold. She took it with her to school. As she stepped outside, the gray sky began to pour. Mira opened the umbrella. Everything changed. Raindrops didn't fall in gray. They fell in color. Bright splashes of blue, green, orange, pink, and gold fell around her like a living painting. The street sparkled. Her footsteps left trails of light. People passed by, heads down, hoods up, not seeing a thing, but Mira saw it all. When she looked up through the umbrella, she saw tiny glowing shapes in the clouds, candies, boats, even tiny cakes floating in the sky. "Is it really raining like this?" she whispered. At school, she closed the umbrella before walking in. Inside, everything looked normal again, dull and gray. Her shoes were dry, but the umbrella shimmered like it held sunlight inside it. Every day, the same thing happened. If she opened the umbrella in the rain, the world filled with magic. No one else noticed. Not even her best friend, Lay. Until one day, Mira decided to try something. At lunch, she handed Lay the umbrella. "Open this when it rains," she said, "and just look up." That afternoon, it rained again. Lay opened the umbrella and gasped. Whoa! She saw it too. The colors, the fish, the glowing air. She looked at Mira and smiled wide. "You've been walking through this magic alone?" Mira laughed. "Not anymore." The next day, the umbrella was gone. Just vanished. Not in her room, not at school. But the sky stayed bright. Even when it rained, little bits of color would appear for a second. Just enough to make someone stop, smile, and wonder. And Mira? She still walks in the rain. With or without the umbrella, she remembers. Magic lives where people choose to look. Life lesson. Magic isn't always about spells. Sometimes it's about how you choose to see the world. Mira's story reminds us that wonder and beauty often hide in ordinary places. When we slow down, look closer, and stay curious, even a rainy day can become something magical. And sharing that magic makes it even more powerful.